right, almost right in line with the grave, so I don't know what kind of destruction it caused or who else is here. There's the other part of that. I assume that is a tombstone, but I am not sure. I do not have an archaeology degree, although I would like one. I'm not rich enough for that kind of stuff. Let's go take a look at these other graves. One more view of this gorgeous section of the cemetery. My God, I can't even. Sometimes I'm just so overwhelmed that I can't even fully appreciate the spectacle. But the other graves are over here.